Hey everyone, this is Jared here with Team Adventures with BeeGee, and I am joined with Waffle. I'm back at Miller Springs Nature Center. Went here earlier in the year. There is a secret waterfall, some big bluffs, and the river. I'm gonna take Waffle to the secret waterfall. We're gonna get up on the bluffs and explore, which I've never done, and I'm gonna show them where the caves are, and maybe we can find some new ones. So stay tuned, and let me show you these amazing hidden gems. So Miller Springs looks like a standard park, but there's a good chance it's going to rain today. So with that incoming rain, the bluffs are going to get slick fast. So our goal is to find the caves, get up on the bluffs, and explore them before they become slick death traps. So we're heading up right now. Pretty steep, a little rocky. Can you hear I'm out of breath? This time we're using trail forks, which has got a bunch of additional trails outside of just the official map. It's what the mountain bikers use. So this is a quicker way up, I think. Well, Miller Springs fights back. It shredded my pants. We'll just have to call this unplanned ventilation, but we're gonna keep pushing on because there's no turning back for a wardrobe malfunction. Well, we didn't think the ridgeline and the forest trail were going to be so much grasslands and kind of shrubs. We were hoping to get some good views because we are up above the river, but looks like that's not in the cards for this trail. You probably can't see, but that's cliffs. I think we're up on some of the bluffs, but the East Ridge Trail has finally turned into what we were looking for. Some nice overviews and some nice cliffs, even if it is a little grown up. All right, here we go. Really good look. That's the river and the dam out there. All right, coming down the ridge. I think I'm glad we're going down this and not up it. Okay, we're down off the Ridgeline Trail. I believe this is called the Connector Trail, or maybe the Trail to Nowhere. I think this is the one that takes us over to the other bluffs and the caves. Stay tuned. Either way, we're going to find them, and I'll show you some of the hidden gems and treasures of this park. Okay, we just crossed the creek. We are checking out some of these overhangs, which are very cool. No cave yet. So nowhere ravine. Definitely goes nowhere, just gets grown up. That was a mistake, but it was cool to explore. Now we're heading over to the Connector Trail, hopefully via these bluffs, but we may have to scramble back down and cut back over. So that's gonna add like a mile to the trip if we can't solve it here. Okay, below us is a lot of the coolest overhangs of the park. A very nice creek. That's where the caves are and where the Secret Waterfall is. So Waffle and I are going to check this area out for a little bit, and then we're going to head down there and show you those caves and waterfall. All right, we're on the bluffs just above the land passes. Okay, we scampered down. We're now on this bluff, and we're going to parallel it and actually get on the Connector Trail. That was a little bit out of the way, unfortunately. We did get to see some cool stuff, but it is a lot of just grassland, so not as cool as it could have been. Okay, officially on the Connector Trail. I should have kicked something off in my mind when I saw that there had been some work done and there was trees cut, because they never do any work on this part. So I mean, a little bit, but not quite like that. So we're on the way now. Stay tuned. Looks like there's some caves, but let's explore these bluffs now that we're here. Pretty small, as you can see by Waffle. I guess you could get down there and climb, but it probably only goes back 10-15 feet. Okay, so we made it to the Secret Waterfall. It's got a lot of graffiti or wall art, depending on your thoughts. But here it is. It's got little two forks. Here's the easier one to get to, and I'll scramble around and get to the other side. We scrambled across the creek, through the brush, We're on the other side. There are bluffs here, but these rarely get visited, and it's even less than the other side. So let's stay tuned and see what's special about over here. So here's a fun little mini cave. Goes back that way. There's a little bit of crawl room back there. I don't know, maybe 15 feet, but it does go all the way up and kind of open up at the top there. So could be fun to explore if you want to do some climbing. Waffle and I survived the bluffs. They were slick. I think the only person who fell more than me was Waffle. So no rain, but very treacherous. So if you come out this way, you got to be real careful on your footing. So we're done with kind of the hidden gyms, and we're going to show you the public gyms. So stay tuned for that. Okay, we've got our miles in. We're just about back to the car. It was slick, no rain, still slightly dangerous. We did get to see the waterfall. We got to see that small cave and some other ones and those beautiful bluffs. So thanks for watching me and Waffle. Make sure you like this video and subscribe if you want to see more adventures.